Hello students, this is Nitin Mohod, and through this video we are going to learn about interfacing of ADC 0804 to 8051. ADC 0804 is analog to digital converter IC which is having its number as 0804. It is commonly used A to D converter IC. Many applications require conversion of output of sensors which are generally in analog to digital form so that the digital data can be utilized for further processing by the digital processor. For example, sound processing, temperature processing, etc. Interfacing of ADC to 8051. So ADC is an essential part in any embedded system or many of the embedded system you can say, and it uses successive approximation type AD converter. Its main features are differential analog voltage input, 0 to 5 volt input voltage range, no zero adjustment, built-in clock generator, reference voltage can externally adjusted to convert smaller analog voltage span to 8-bit resolution. Here you can see the pin diagram of ADC, that is analog to digital converter. There are number of ICs means 0803, 0804, 0805. This is the series of ADC ICs. Here we are interested in 0804 IC. So voltage at V reference by 2, that is pin number 9 here, can be externally adjusted to convert even smaller analog span to full 8-bit resolution. See, when we are using 8 bits means there are total number of 256 discrete states, because number of bits, if number of bits are n, there will be the number of discrete states will be 2 raised to power n, that is if 8 bits are there, 2 raised to power 8 means 256 discrete states will be there, means this will be the full 8-bit resolution. When V reference by 2, that is pin 9, is left open, voltage span is 0 to 5 volt with step size 5 divided by 255, that is equal to 0.0196, which is equal to 19.6 millivolts. Now we will see the steps to convert analog input to digital output through ADC, that is analog to digital converter IC 0804. The steps are like this: make CS bar equal to 0, that is chip select pin you have to make 0, and send low to high pulse to WR bar pin, that is make this WR bar pin or right pin inactive to start the conversion. Keep on checking INTR bar pin. INTR bar pin will be 1 if conversion is not finished, else INTR bar pin will be 0. If conversion is not finished, that is INTR bar pin equal to 1, poll until it is finished. If conversion is finished, INTR bar pin will go 0 and then go to the next step. Make CS bar 0 and send high to low pulse to RD bar pin to read the data from analog to digital converter. Now here we are going to see the actual diagram of interfacing of ADC 0804 to 8051. So here you can see ADC 0804 and this is the microcontroller 8051. So ADC converts analog input to digital output and makes an LED array on, which is connected to port P0. So as you can see here, these are the port P0 pins from P0.0 to P0.7, and this is the LED array which is connected to these pins. If analog input, that is this Vin, is 5 volts, then all LEDs will glow, which indicates 11111111 in binary, which is equivalent to 255 decimal. Here data output pins D0 to D7, as you can see here, which are associated with 0804, are connected to port 1 pins, that is P1.0 to P1.7 respectively. Resistors R1 to R8, these which are connected with the LEDs, are the current limiting resistors, that is P1 of microcontroller, that is port 1 of microcontroller, is an input port, while the port P0 of the microcontroller is an output port. Control signals for ADC, that is analog to digital converter IC, like INTR, WR, RD and CS are available at port 3 pins, which are connected to P3.4, P3.5, P3.6 and P3.7 pins of port 3 of microcontroller 8051. Resistor R9 and capacitor C1 are associated with the internal clock circuitry of ADC, which you can see here, this C1 and R9. Preset resistor R10, this one, which forms the voltage divider arrangement, which can be used to apply the input voltage to analog to digital converter. Push button S1, resistor R11 and capacitor C4 forms the debouncing mechanism, which generally occurs in keys on the computer keyboard. Crystal X1 and capacitor C2 and C3, as you can see here, are associated with the clock circuitry of the microcontroller. It is important to note here that the entire circuit can be powered from 5 volts DC, as you can see here. This can be connected together and a single plus 5 volt power supply can be given. ADC 0804 has active low outputs and the instruction CPL-A complements it to have a straightforward display. For example, if input is 5 volts, then the output will be all ones, that is all LEDs will be on, and the CPL-A was not if used, it would have been 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the LED would have turned off otherwise. So I hope the idea about the interfacing of ADC 0804 to 8051, their circuit diagram, their connections with each other is clear to you through this video. Thank you.